All right, guys, we're about to board the Celebrity Beyond, and it's an 8-day sailing. It's going to the ABC Islands, so we're going to give you a little vlog video of what happens on the ship, maybe some details on what to do with Celebrity. It's our first Celebrity cruise, so we will be discovering things as you are in this video. So far, things are going pretty smooth. What do you think? So we left the Residence Inn, our hotel in Fort Lauderdale, headed to the port and arrived at Terminal 25. All right, so this is for the Celebrity Beyond. You go in, drop off your luggage outside the front doors with the porter, and then you go up the staircase to check in, which we will be doing next.
Alright guys, we just made it through boarding. It's probably one of the easiest embarkation processes we've ever done out of all 12 of our cruises.
Yeah, so just got on the Beyond, definitely easier than Carnival for sure. It's been a while since we were on Disney, so it's hard to remember, but not a hard process at all to get on the ship. Basically just walked right on, and we were 45 minutes early, so we're gonna go check out the ship, explore a little bit, and
do our muster stuff. So you can do most of it online, but you still gotta check in at your station.
Yeah, definitely check in on the app and do all the stuff you can before you get on the ship. And so we're gonna hit our muster station and then hit lunch. This is the guest relations area. It's kind of a lounge, and then folks with computers. Pretty interesting setup. So it's not a normal setup. It's also the full width of the ship. Very interesting. All right, so as you leave the casino on deck 4, you come into the atrium for the Cosmopolitan and the Cypress restaurant. And so let's take a look real quick. I don't think they're in use, so we should be able to walk in and take a quick look at them. They do have a dress code, but it's not too terribly strict. The wine wall here. All of the restaurants are very elegant. All right, let's go try to take a look at... They're doing the muster drills right now, so that's why there's people standing here. Let's go take a look at the Cypress. Hello. All right, so this is the Cypress. Let's take a quick look in here. Very fancy. There you go. All right, so the room that we purchased for this cruise is a concierge room with a veranda, infinite veranda. So we'll show you the room either in a room tour or in this video as well. But part of the concierge package is lunch on the first day at the Tuscan Grill, which we are going to go check out this Tuscan restaurant and see how it is. So there we go. This is the Tuscan restaurant.
If you like salmon, then you can add like fries or whatever on the side dish.
And so we're having our concierge lunch on the first day. Being a premium line, the food was excellent on the Celebrity Beyond. Alright, so this is room 277 on deck 11. It is a concierge class room, infinite veranda, and we're going to show you around. So we got a couch. Does not look like it makes a bed. Not sure on the size of the bed. I'd say at least a queen, maybe a king actually. It's pretty big. Let's see here. We've got the window down right now on the Infinite Veranda. See the boats going by. This is Fort Lauderdale. Alright, so here are the controls. I believe there's a curtain. We haven't tried to use it yet. There is a pocket door. So, see if I can get this on camera. There's a door that you can close off the balcony area. Pretty good sized TV. And take a look around here. Little work desk. Looks like it slides in and out to make more room. This is your charging ports for the Celebrity Beyond. And there is, if I remember correctly, there's storage. There's our robes. There is closets in this corner. There's the safe and more closet space. I believe these also open. Yeah, there's more closet space on this corner. That one on top is closed. You have an electronic thermostat with room controls. I believe you can control the window and shade, but don't hold me to that. Here's some of the deck information. And let's take a look at the bathroom. So the bathrooms are supposed to be pretty good size, and I would say they are. It has a acrylic shower door instead of a curtain, which is always nice. It's got a really nice sink area. And it's like a hair dryer down there. Outlet underneath. And I don't know if I can get in here and take a better view of the shower. So pretty good sized shower. For a cruise ship, probably not going to get much bigger for a normal sized room until you start getting into the bigger suites. So here are their shampoos and whatnot. Let's see if I can get the brand on there. One cool thing about Celebrity is they let you put your luggage in the room when you get on board, even if your room is not cleaned all the way yet. We have the window open on the veranda so you can see it's fogging up in here because the air conditioning turns off when you open the window. So it's kind of an interesting problem. You can see there is moisture on the TV from the window being open, but it does add quite a bit of space to the room because when you have the window shut, it's basically like having an ocean view room with a giant window, and you've got all this extra floor space in the room. So kind of the best of both worlds. You can look outside and also have you can have a window view, you can have a balcony view, or you can close the window and have the extra floor space and not have to worry about your air conditioning turning off. So leave questions in the comments. I'm sure I missed something. There is a power outlet next to the bed, so if you have like a CPAP machine or want to charge your phone, that works. So, all right, there you go. After checking out the room, we decided to take a little tour of the ship and walked around the pool deck area. All right, we're about to walk onto the magic carpet. It's on the pool deck right now. Great views up here. And we're off the side of the ship.
So we're on the Celebrity Beyond waiting to sail off, and we can actually watch some of the other ships going out to sea. Can't quite tell which ship that is, but let's see if we can zoom in and see a little bit more. Sure somebody in the comments knows what ship that is, so feel free to add it. And then there's all kinds of little boats.
A very good afternoon to you all. This is your Captain Kate, but you can just call me Captain, as it did take me 19 years to earn the title. I want to welcome you on board.
Video of the coastline in Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades. This is the theater, literally called the theater, and the screen in here is incredible in person. The night's entertainment was a magician named Matt Johnson, who's been on Britain's Got Talent.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've got to be brave and a superstar to do that in front of all of you. A big round of applause for Rosie.
This is Eden. Eden is a great gathering spot at the After the Ship, with its own restaurant during the day and a formal dining restaurant at night, along with entertainment. We topped off the night with a tour of the Rooftop Garden. It has a spectacular view of the stacks on a beautiful ship, the Celebrity Beyond. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see future videos about this trip and other adventures. See you next time.